Good afternoon, I'm meteorologist Alan Archer with Look Now at your Monday afternoon hurricane weather watch marine weather forecast here on the StarCom Network. At the current time, satellite photos indicating generally fair to partly sunny skies across a good part of the Windward Islands, even the southern Lures, all the way from our area northward on up to around almost St. Kitts. Mostly fair to partly sunny skies prevail. Some showers are located, though, in and around the northernmost Leeward Islands, and these extend westward on out into just east of the British Virgin Islands. Movement of that activity is towards the west, about 10 miles an hour, passing to our north. There's been an overall reduction in the dry, dusty air coming off the Sahara Desert of Africa into the Atlantic Basin of late. We have a low-pressure area now at about 13 north, 38 west over the central land, with the American forecast model suggesting that this low-pressure center now has good input for developing into a tropical storm, but will move on to the northwest, meaning the closest it comes to us is about 800 miles northeast of us this Saturday afternoon, before then making curvature to the northeast away from Bermuda and away from all land areas. So even if it develops and would be named Tropical Storm Gabrielle, it is expected to stay away from all land areas and just be a fish storm. We have other minor low-pressure areas developing in the Atlantic Basin over the next 2 weeks, but nothing tropically organizing. By the way, the European forecast models are suggesting that same low-pressure center to pass within about maybe 450 miles northeast of us this Friday night, before then making curvature up towards Bermuda 8 days from now. That, too, lends its support to staying well to our north and northeast. So it all boils down to this: partly sunny skies for the next 5 or more days, a 15% isolated shower. And daytime highs 91 Fahrenheit, 33 Celsius, lows at 82 Fahrenheit, 28 Celsius. Our marine weather forecast: weak high pressure centers in the north and east Atlantic afford us winds coming out of the east 10 to 15 knots through tonight. Seas running at about 2 meters in northeast to east swells. Tuesday, east southeast 10 to 15 knots to 2 meters in northeast to east swells. Wednesday, east 10 to 15 knots, seas 1.5 to 2 meters. Let's check tides of harbor here in Bridgetown this afternoon. We're looking first of all at a low at 3:51, a high tonight 10:06. Then tomorrow, it's a low at 5:48 in the morning, a high at 12:51 in the afternoon. At the current time, our skies here at Grand Leanham are mostly sunny, humidity 64%. The winds are out of the east southeast 11 miles an hour. It's 90 Fahrenheit, 32 Celsius. While at Rockley, our skies mostly sunny, humidity 62%. The winds are east southeast 11 miles an hour, 90 Fahrenheit, 32 Celsius. Friendship Plantation is mostly sunny, humidity 62%. The winds are out of the east 11 miles an hour. It's 92 Fahrenheit, 33 Celsius. And I'm meteorologist Alan Archer. Today's weather pretty well matches up with the weather we'll see throughout the week here on the StarCom Network.
In case you missed